Hi. Welcome to my YouTube channel Ashan Vlogs. In this video I will show behind the scenes of how I decorated my plain boring wall into something interesting, but before that, let me play the intro. I have decided to place 4 frames and add LED grain lights. List of things required. My first frame will be a world map. Since I love traveling, I always wanted an outline of the world map. I could have easily removed a printout, but I wanted to see how creative I can be, trying to get my old school drawing habits. My remaining frames will contain motivational quotes. In this second frame, again, I am trying to see how good I am in freehand drawing. But this quote says it all. Wishing to get something isn't enough unless you work hard to achieve what you are wishing for. This third frame was too tiring. Had to draw so many lines and made my blank paper look like a graph paper. Well, again, this one clearly says, try and fail, but don't fail to try. Similarly, the way I try to create new content in each of my video. And the last one was very simple, that is, 1 year is equal to 365 opportunities. We have 365 opportunities every year to choose happiness. 365 opportunities to believe there is good, to be the good. 365 opportunities to spread the smile, and so on. Once all frames are done, add some more creative art to look at more interesting. Either add the lights first or vice versa. To see what I achieved as the final result, click the link that will appear at the top right corner. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified. See you in my next video.